Hello everyone, this is Lews Auto Service and Salvage out here in Thornburg, Virginia. Today I have UU275, and this is a 2005 Jeep Wrangler. It has your 4.0 engine and manual transmission in it. It has 142,931 of the mileage. Don't have it running here today. It won't start for me. I believe it's part of the reason is the fan clutches or radiators pushed back into the fan clutch, but it did come to us with this front end collision. Besides the cosmetics, I don't see much going on with it that's actually wrong. The front axle looks good, tires look good. This roof does look like it has a hole in it right there that they did a little bit of patching to on the back glass itself. But other than that, the rest of the roof looks really good on this vehicle. Coming around here, got a decent looking right hand side also. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop on in. I'll show you some of the components. This is a pretty basic vehicle. So what you got is manual windows, manual locks. There's your mileage, 142,931. Let's check out the heater AC control real quick, make sure that's working. So it feels like controls working. It's the blend door that's not. This all looks like it's commanding what it needs to. It's just not switching over. Radio, CD player.
Down payments as low as $99 and monthly payments is
See, our doctors work with a link that can change lives.
Looks like all that works. Make sure it takes the CD in. Takes the CD just fine.
to the niggas that was down.
Alright, so yeah, it looks like all that works just fine. So again, this is UU275. This is my 05 Jeep Wrangler with 142,931 on the mileage. If you guys have any questions, please call Lews Auto Service and Salvage in Thornburg, Virginia. We'll be happy to help you out. Thank you and God bless.